Chinese capacitor just decided to put motor mount. Yeah, man, I appreciate it. No, it's just a 29 Cobra, and, well, I'm working on another amplifier, but this is one of them 4-mil Texas Stars, man, you know, they don't use very good stuff in them.
Fucking radio.
Well, that wasn't what happened. It just, you know, 16-volt capacitors just, you know, if they get any kind of stray RF in them, they go away.
How about it? The D's away.
Yeah, they'll get your attention.
Nah, 35, it's noisy up in here. We're stepping. 535, 614. Hey, State of Maine. Hey, State of Maine, 102 waving at you, Blake. 102 around the Bluegrass is waving at the State of Maine. Hey, 460. 460. That's about that 4878.
Yeah, I guess you got lucky there. This thing here is just but it took out. Chinese capacitor, not worth what they're rated for. Little thing, ain't very big on it. I can't even tell what the value was. I know it's 16 volts, but I can't.
I don't know how high he's gonna put it on the ground.
Yeah, that's not the one I've been normally using. I was using another one, but that happened to be what I had in mind. It wasn't
Motor Mouth Mall. Yeah, go ahead, break 935, booger ass wave.
Oh, yeah, man, appreciate it. Nah, it didn't hurt nothing. It didn't hurt anything at all. Another one in there. Hey, 152 sounding good from New York, man. 777 Texas. We're standing by. Massachusetts, we hear you in there, man. Good afternoon to you.
That's what he said. Okay. Hey, Chief.
We fixed it there.
All right, big brother.
09. Sounding good down here. I'm over here a little ways out of San Antonio, Texas.
All right, they're 406 and we'll see you by.
Let's do its thing, man. No doubt about it. That's right. You can't hardly get nothing better than that. Them things sound good, especially when they're done upright like that. Ah, it sounds good.
You might have to put a light on it. Airplane level knock it down.
It's doing you a fine job. No doubt about it. You hear a whole bunch of them in there. They take care out there, man, and wait. Look, I gotta get over here and get a couple of things done. Now that I got my little aggravation out of the way.
I heard him talk about how long it is, but I never told how high he's been on the ground all the time he's been talking about that thing, buddy. I don't know. Well, he better not be around those very taller houses unless he's got it up there pretty good.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if you could or not, to be real honest with you.
Motor Mouth Mall.